Welcome to our deep dive into Azure IoT Hub. In the rapidly expanding world of the Internet of Things, managing the connection between the cloud and millions of physical devices is a massive challenge. Microsoft Azure IoT Hub is a managed service designed specifically to solve this problem, providing a secure and reliable bridge between your IoT application and the devices it manages. So, what exactly is it? Think of Azure IoT Hub as a central message post office in the cloud. It is a managed service, meaning Microsoft handles the infrastructure maintenance for you. Its primary job is to enable reliable and secure bidirectional communications between millions of IoT devices and a solution backend. Whether you have a few temperature sensors or millions of smart meters, IoT Hub scales to handle the workload. One of the most critical features is bidirectional communication. Unlike simple data ingestion services that only accept data, IoT Hub allows for two-way traffic. You can send telemetry data, like temperature or humidity readings, from the device to the cloud. But importantly, you can also send commands and notifications from the cloud back to the device, such as telling a fan to turn on or updating firmware. Let's look at communication from the device's perspective first. We call this device-to-cloud messaging. Devices can send telemetry, which is time series data sent frequently. They can also upload files, like video clips or logs, directly to storage. Additionally, devices can send reported properties, telling the cloud things like, "My battery is at 85%, or "My current version is 1." Going the other way, we have cloud-to-device messaging. The cloud can send direct methods, which are commands that require immediate confirmation, like rebooting a machine. It can update desired properties in the device twin to request a configuration change, which the device picks up when it's ready. Or it can send simple one-way notifications to alert the device of an event. Security is paramount in IoT. Azure IoT Hub enforces a security-first approach. Every single device has its own unique identity and security key. This means if one device is hacked, the attacker cannot use that credential to access other devices. It supports mutual authentication, where both sides verify each other, and all data is encrypted in transit using TLS. A powerful concept in Azure IoT Hub is the device twin. This is a JSON document stored in the cloud that mirrors the state of the device. It has desired properties set by the cloud to tell the device what to do, and reported properties updated by the device to say what it is actually doing. This allows you to manage device configuration even if the device is currently offline. Devices communicate using different languages or protocols. IoT Hub supports the three most common standards. MQTT is the most popular due to its lightweight nature, perfect for small devices. A MQP is an enterprise standard known for reliability. And finally, HTTPS is available for devices that cannot use the other protocols, perhaps due to corporate firewall restrictions. Once data hits the IoT Hub, where does it go? This is where message routing comes in. You can set up automatic rules to send data to different Azure services based on the content of the message. For example, store all data in blob storage for long-term archiving, or send only temperature alerts greater than 40 degrees to event hubs for immediate processing. Where is this used in the real world? In smart manufacturing, it connects industrial robots to predict maintenance needs. In the automotive industry, it connects vehicles to monitor engine health and update software over the air. And in smart buildings, it manages energy usage by controlling lighting and heating systems automatically based on occupancy. To summarize, Azure IoT Hub is your gateway to the cloud for IoT. It acts as a central hub for two-way communication, provides robust per-device security, manages device state through device twins, and scales effortlessly to support massive deployments. It is the foundational block for building secure and scalable IoT solutions on Azure. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.